This dance is called Everybody Dance and Sing! Exclamation mark. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance. Starting with our right foot. Point the right to the side, touch the right beside the left, point the right to the side. Into a little coaster step. So we step the right back, feet together, step the right forward. Now there are a lot of hand counts in this dance, so I will actually go through with the counts afterwards, but I'll try and dance it with the timing as we go through. So we're going to repeat those steps with the left foot leading. So point the left to the side, touch the left beside the right, point the left to the side into a coaster step, stepping back on the left, feet together, left forward. So that section once more, then off on the right with these points. 7, 8, point out, in, out, coaster, step, point out, in, out, coaster, step. Shuffle forward on the right. So those who have done shuffle steps before will know it's a 1 and 2 count timing steps, as a lot of these steps are in this dance anyway. So we step the right forward, feet together, right forward. Repeat with the left. Left forward, right together, left forward. Add on a mambo step. So we're going to rock forward on the right, recover our weight on the left, bring the feet back together. That's our mambo step. Into a sailor quarter turn. So called because you just have to imagine you've drunk plenty of rum and you're on a boat. And you're a little bit tipsy. So in doing your sailor step, you're going to cross your left behind the right as you make a quarter turn to the left. Step the right to the side, step the left to the side. So you just have to imagine, having had all that drink, you're doing a bit of a wobbly sort of step. So if it looks wobbly when you're doing it, you've probably got it right. So that section once more then, shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo step, sailor turn. So remember you're a mambo, forward rock, feet together, your sailor turn, cross that left behind, making that quarter turn, side to side. So let's add those two sections together. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point out, in, out, coaster, step, point out, in, out, coaster, step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo step, sailor turn. Into a cross shuffle. So a cross shuffle is very similar to all the other shuffles except we're crossing. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right over again. That's your cross shuffle. Step the left to the side, touch the right by the left, step the right to the side. Repeat those steps with the left foot leading. So a left crossing shuffle to start with. So cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, cross the left over again. That's your cross shuffle. Into your side touch side, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, step the left to the side. So that little set of steps once more then. Cross shuffle off on the right. 7, 8, cross shuffle, side touch side, cross shuffle, side touch side. Let's add that to the top. It's going to feel like a lot of steps in this dance because of all the hands. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point out, in, out, coaster, step, point out, in, out, coaster, step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo step, sailor turn, cross shuffle, side touch side, cross shuffle, side touch side. Okay, the last section then. We're going to do some sugar feet. Now a sugar foot, quite simply, otherwise known as a ball scuff step, toe heel step. It comes by various different names, but it is a sugar foot. So you are going to touch the ball of your right foot beside the left. Scuff the right foot, so that's just gentle contact with the ground with the heel of the foot. Step the right forward. That's your sugar foot. Ball, scuff, step. Repeat that with the left foot. So ball of the foot by the side of the right. Scuff the left with the heel of the foot. Step the left forward. Ball, scuff, step. Into a mambo step. So we've already done one of those. Rock forward on the right. Recover your weight on the left. Bring the feet together. And finish off with a half shuffle. So we're going to turn half turn over 3 steps. 7 and 8 is your count timing. Quarter, close, quarter. So you're going to make a quarter turn as you step the left to the side. Make sure you're turning your body. Bring the feet together. Further quarter turn as you step the left forward. So hopefully you're now facing 3 o'clock and you've made half a turn. So that section once more then. Sugar foot off on the right. Ball scuff step. 7, 8. Ball scuff step. Ball scuff step. Mambo step. Half shuffle. So that's the end of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Points off on the right. 7, 8. Point out, in, out. Coaster step. Point out, in, out. Coaster step. Right shuffle. Left shuffle. Mambo step. Sailor turn. Cross shuffle. Side touch side. Cross shuffle. Side touch side. Ball scuff step. Ball scuff step. Mambo step. Half shuffle. So I will go through the dance with the counts so you can see the timing. Points off on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Shuffles 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Mambo 5 and 6. Sailor 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Sugar foot 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Mambo 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So that is your dance. But it is a 4-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Points off on the right. 7, 8. Point out, in, out. Coaster step. Point out, in, out. Coaster step. Right shuffle. Left shuffle. Mambo step. Sailor turn. Cross shuffle. Side touch side. Cross shuffle. Side touch side. Ball scuff step. Ball scuff step. Mambo step. Half shuffle. Point out, in, out. Coaster step. Point out, in, out. Coaster step. Right shuffle. Left shuffle. Mambo step. Sailor turn. Cross shuffle. Side touch side. Cross shuffle. Side touch side. Ball scuff step. Ball scuff step. Mambo step. Half shuffle. Point out, in, out. Coaster step. Point out, in, out. Coaster step. Right shuffle. Left shuffle. Mambo step. Sailor turn. Cross shuffle. Side touch side. Cross shuffle. Side touch side. Ball scuff step. Ball scuff step. Mambo step. Half shuffle. So that's your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. coaster step, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo step, side turn, cross shuffle, side touch side, cross shuffle, side touch side, coaster step, mambo step, half shuffle, out and out, coaster step, out and out, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo step, side turn, cross shuffle, side touch side, cross shuffle, side touch side, coaster step, mambo step, half shuffle, out and out, coaster step, out and out, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo step, side turn, cross shuffle, side touch side, cross shuffle, side touch side, coaster step, mambo step, half shuffle, out and out, coaster step, out and out, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo step, side turn, cross shuffle, side touch side, cross shuffle, side touch side, coaster step, mambo step, half shuffle, out and out, shuffles, cross shuffle, shuffles, points,
Everybody dance, everybody sing. When I'm out tonight,
shuffle,
we wanna hear everybody singing. When I'm out tonight,
cross shuffle,
if you've got a light, just let it shine. Just raise your hands and clap in time.
Shuffle.
Hope that you've all had a good time. When I'm out tonight,
points,
everybody dance, everybody sing. When I'm out tonight,
shuffle,
we wanna hear everybody singing. When I'm out tonight,
cross
if
shuffle,
you've got a light, just let it shine. Just raise your hands and clap in time.
Shuffle.
Hope that you've all had a good time. When I'm out tonight,
points,
everybody dance, everybody sing. When I'm out tonight,
shuffle,
we wanna hear everybody singing. When I'm out tonight,
cross
if
shuffle,
you've got a light, just let it shine. Just raise your hands and clap in time.
Shuffle.
Hope that you've all had a good time. When I'm out tonight.
Hope you managed that one.